everyone, I am Babita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about I used to do practice when I was beginner. So you must watch this video till the end because in this video I will completely explain about it. So without further delay, let's begin the video. Firstly, I am going to tell you about my story. How did I learn English? My learning journey. Okay, so let's see. Firstly, I'm going to tell you about how did I practice. So when I was learning this language at that time, I didn't have anyone I could practice with. So I thought, how will I speak English? Firstly, I would like to tell you how to write, how to read, how to understand, and how to think in English. Means I knew everything, but I didn't know how to speak English. So I thought, what should I do? When will I speak English? I was very curious to speak English. That's why I was too much motivated at that time to speak English. That's why I got an idea after few minutes when I was thinking what should I do to speak English. So I thought I have two pet animals. So I thought I should do practice with them because if no one is helping me, so at least I should try to practice with them. If I will speak English with them, so definitely they can something interact with me. So that's why I tried to speak English with them. And I used to say, "Hello everyone, how are you doing today?" So they didn't reply. But I thought, I knew they cannot speak English, they cannot interact with me. I only tried to speak English with them. When I got time, then I tried to speak English with them. "Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Have you eaten your food? What do you want to eat now? I want to give you. So, what's your wishes? Could you talk to me in English?" So, but they didn't reply because they can only eat feed. I knew. But my curiosity has become stronger and stronger. When I always tried to speak English alone, but when I got bored, I went out from my room and I tried to speak English with my animals. I used to try to speak this language for 15 minutes or 20 minutes with my pet animals, with my animals. But they didn't reply any word. But after speaking, I got satisfied. These are the creature, they are speaking English with me, they are interacting English with me. I thought I am happy because someone is helping me, someone is interacting with me. So you can guess, animals can speak English, animals can interact with us. Yes, of course, animals can interact with us if no one helps us. Because I love too much to my animals. They are very innocent. I was so much curious for English speaking. You have to play two types of role yourself. Firstly, you have to speak English to them, and secondly, you have to reply yourself because they cannot reply and they cannot respond. If you have curiosity learning English language, so you can cross any boundaries. So you can cross any boundaries for English speaking like me. I have crossed a lots of boundaries for English speaking because I was so much eager. I was so much curious for English speaking. That's why today I thought I should share my English learning journey, how I used to speak English to my pet animals. So I thought it's my experience. I got a lots of experience from my English learning journey. That's why today I want to share my experience learning journey, my English experience journey with you. So I thought I should share. So I am here in front of you and I am sharing my English learning experience. If you will love them, so they will also love you. So guys, you can interact with them very easily and confidently. When I was speaking English with my pet animals, my family's members were telling me, what are you doing? I told them I am speaking English with them. They cannot speak English to you. So I told them, yes, of course, I know very well. They cannot speak English with me, but I can interact to them. So at least I should try because they are creatures of this world. They can listen my voice. That's why I want to make them understand my voice, my English. They cannot understand. It's okay, fine. But I can understand and I can think in English while talking English with them. So guys, I thought I should share my this type of ideas with you. When I was learning this language, I struggled a lot and I faced lots of difficulties while learning this language because no one was helping me. So that's why if you have any one person, if you have your mother, your father, your family's member or anyone, so you can interact with them, so it's up to you. But I shared my learning. How did I do? So that is my English learning experience. My English experience journey is based on my is based on determination, curiosity. If you have or any person has have curiosity for English learning, for English, for learning a language, for learning a new language, so you can. Okay, you don't think about your past. Yes, you couldn't speak English, it's okay. I also couldn't speak English. I tried a lot, but I failed again and again. But I got bored and I got frustrated. When will I speak English? Everyone is speaking. I want to speak English like my college, my teachers. So at that time, I was so curious for learning this language. So you should also become a curious person to learn this language. This language is different from other language. This language is a global language. If you are facing this type of problems, you don't think I have a lots of problem. When will I speak English? So I hope you have understood about my lecture. If you have understood about my lecture, so you don't forget to like, share, subscribe and do comment me what have you learned from my this lecture. So you don't forget to comment me. Thanks for watching my video.